Where modern landslides are usually going to happen is where they've happened in the past. Being able to map and identify those areas where there have been landslides before really helps us forecast where they might happen in the future.
Our job is to assist public safety, but in order to do that, we need to stay safe ourselves.
During COVID, we're obviously trying to minimize our field time. It's very difficult to manage cross-contamination of field equipment and also socially distancing. And frankly, it's difficult to wear a mask when we are hiking up these large landslide tracks. So the fewer amount of hours we spend in the field, the better.
One of the things that we need to do to get through this whole pandemic is to be able to be flexible and to innovate. And we're doing that with our drone operations.
Using the drone helps us navigate where we can on a landslide, and then we fly up it. And we get really high resolution data that allows us to visit it time and time again back in the office. So with these type of data, we can revisit this slide for anything that we need to pull a measurement, calculate a volume, understand the impacts, and look at potential future hazards.
So having that capability has really improved our efficiency and safety around landslides, even not in COVID times. So in COVID times, that efficiency is especially important.
I think we live in a three-dimensional world, so if you can present ideas to someone else in a three-dimensional world, it makes it easier to convey the message.
We're fortunate to have a really talented, dedicated, innovative team